So Paradise Motors started with my father, Reg. Purchased the business from a gentleman that was running it here in about 1956. At that time, it was just a small mechanical repair shop. And in the early 60s, Dad took on a Volkswagen franchise. And at that time, when he first started in business, he only had a small number of people working with him. And he was really well supported by my mum, Shirley. And they ran it as a couple and a family business. And Dad ran the business for nearly 68 years. I joined the business in 1978, and that's the year we took on Mazda. And we're now Mazda dealers and have been since then. And I'm now the current dealer principal. And my son Ben has now joined the business also. And he's our general manager, and he's part of the succession plan of our family. So third generation of a family. And we're both supported by our wives. My wife Jenny has worked in the business for most of her married life. And Ben's wife Taylor is also supporting him. So we are a true family business and proud to be Mazda dealers.
My name is John Roberts. I've been here since 1972, but I had a Volkswagen. And then when they changed over to Mazdas, I was one of the first customers. So I've had 10 Mazdas altogether, and I've been coming here for 50 years. The service is very good, the staff are very efficient, and I've got no complaints at all.
My name is Michael. I bought my first car over about a year ago, and since then we've been continually buying cars. I'm my fourth car now. The reason I keep coming back to Paradise Mazda was pretty much the service, reliability, just easy going really. I always walk out feeling like I've got a good deal. The staff here are awesome. I've created a really good relationship throughout the year that I've started buying cars, and when you've got good service, good people around you, you've got a good team, and therefore when you're in business it makes everything work perfectly.
We offer the full range of services, so we do Mazda services, and actually in fact we service any make of vehicle. We also have a spare parts warehouse, so we supply parts to many of the dealers in the state. And we also have a used car area as well, so we can sell used cars as well as new Mazdas. The staff here at Paradise Motors are really special. They're part of our family. Each and every one of them we know, and what's important about them is that they are the ones that actually deliver the service to our customers. We can only do so much as a leadership team. We rely on our great staff to do their job each day, whether it be working on the car in the workshop, whether it be serving a customer at the counter, whether it be selling them a new car, whatever it is they're doing, what is washing their car for their service. Everything that someone does here makes an impact on a customer, and we're very proud of all of them and what they do.
My name is Ben. I'm very privileged to hold the position of General Manager here at Paradise Mazda. I've been here for 20 years and held various different roles. I am Jeff and Jenny's son, and I started when I was 15 years old. It was my first job here, cleaning cars. I then graduated into service department where I helped out there, and I've held various different roles. And for the last few years I've been holding my title here as General Manager. The point of difference with Paradise Mazda is that it is family orientated. It is full of people that want to be here. They want to come, they want to do the best at their job role. And it's amazing to come to a place where you enjoy being around the people you work with.
My name is Jan Richards. My position is a concierge at Paradise Mazda, and I've been here for 3.5 years. I love that it's a family business. I love serving the customers and looking after them. And it's the first job I've had that I want to come to work.
My name is Kevin Bew, and I'm the new car sales manager at Paradise Mazda, and I've worked here for 43 years. My journey at Paradise Mazda started in 1982, and I was a salesperson in the used cars, and then progressed to assistant new car manager, then on to new car manager, and then to become general manager. But now I'm easing back a little bit, so I'm really enjoying the role.
My name is Frank Violi. I'm the assistant general manager, and I've been working here for 15 years. So I started here as a car cleaner. From car cleaning went to a used car salesman role, then used car manager role, and then service manager role, fixed operations role. And now I'm an assistant general manager, so I've worked my way up in this dealership, so it's a lovely dealership to work for.
My name is Lily. I am the assistant service manager here, and I've been here for about 5 years now. What I love about working at Paradise Mazda is the team culture that we've got going on here. Everyone that's been working here has been here for quite some time, and it's always fun and enjoyable to come to work, which I think is really great.
Paradise Mazda has been in operation now for nearly 69 years. My wife Jenny and I are really proud to run the business together. And more importantly, we're proud of the team that we have here working with us. That's why we get up every day to come to work, is to work with our team here and to help them serve our customers the best way we can. Our family history here is 69 years. One family, one business. We're very proud of it, and we hope to be here for many years to come.